In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A37 and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, hit remove and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you wish to restore it, you need to pinch your display, hit Widgets at the bottom, scroll to find the Google search bar, Google section first, click on it, scroll again, find search bar, and then click on it. You will see Add button. Tap on it as well, hold your search bar and drag it wherever you wish to. Then place it, let go, and tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!